Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the server error on Art Store on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, soft reset your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds on your remote control, then unplug your TV from the power source directly and wait for about half a minute for it to reset. Basically, usually a couple of seconds is enough, and a half a minute is just to make sure that the reset is done. Then plug in your TV to the power source once again, turn it on, let it refresh itself, and check the Art Store once again and check if their connection is re-established. And if it's not, then let's check the Wi-Fi connection. To do so, let's go to Devices Settings. Let's open all settings menu. Now in all settings, let's go to Connection tab and then let's open Network. Select network status and check if your device is connected properly. You can disconnect from this network and try to reconnect to it once again. Try using maybe a different band. Like 2.4 gigahertz, as this band has a better reach than 5.0. But if 5 gigahertz works for you, then you can go with it. I'm gonna go with 5 gigahertz because I know that it will work for me. Enter the password to your Wi-Fi network and then press go in the bottom right corner of your keyboard to proceed. Okay, here we go, and now let's wait for the connection to be re-established, and after that once again check the Art Store to see if the issue is resolved, and if it's not, then press OK. Go back to the connection menu. In settings, reopen network and select reset network. Confirm by clicking reset, and then you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi once again after this reset is done. And if this didn't help you, then check for any available software updates. So go to the support tab in your settings, then select software update, click update now and wait for your TV to check if there are any updates available out there on the internet. And if it finds any, then of course let it download and install them. And if there are no updates, then the last step that should most definitely help you out is go into Device Care menu, and then once the Device Care menu launches, we're gonna have to go to Self-Diagnosis, and in Self-Diagnosis we're gonna have to select the Smart Hub Reset, which is the last option on the list. However, this will of course reset everything except for the Wi-Fi network. It will reset your apps list. You're gonna have to reinstall the apps. Well, your TV is going to have to do this. So, and you're gonna have to log into your applications after that, and also you're gonna have to reconnect your Samsung account. So, if you're ready to do this, just select Reset Smart Hub, enter your PIN code into the following field, then press done, and then wait until all settings are reset. And after that, once your Find Hub relaunches, you're probably gonna have to re-sign into your into the Art Mode account. Though no, you're just going to have to re-sign into your Samsung account. But let's wait until the settings are reset. And once the reset is complete, our TV is going to relaunch, and we're gonna have to go through the setup process once again. So let's select Setup Now, and then we're gonna see a QR code or alternative methods to sign into the Samsung account. Okay, I think it didn't sign me out for some reason. maybe because my smartphone is connected to the TV. Okay, let them download terms and conditions. Okay, so agree to everything, or at least to the art stores. It's art store conditions, since it's what we're trying to get fixed. But to avoid any kind of issues, just agree to everything. You'll be able to later disagree with some of these settings in the terms and conditions in your settings list. I believe it's located in general and privacy section. And then, okay, then select start setup. And I think I'm gonna have to sign into my Microsoft account, so I'm gonna show you how I will do this. I'm gonna use my Samsung. I'm gonna my smartphone camera to scan the QR code. It will transfer me to the official Samsung website, and then we're gonna have to select login, then provide the email and password to the Samsung account. Okay, and once you are signed into your Samsung account, tap done. You don't have to register a product, but if you want to, you're highly welcome to do so. And now you can open the art store once again. You can try the art mode once again and see if it works for you this time. Okay, I hope I didn't. It seems a bit laggy to me. I think it happens after you reset your device's settings. Okay, so after the reset, you should actually give your TV some time to load the art mode before re-entering it. But at this point, your problem should be resolved. And if it wasn't, then you should contact Samsung customer support service and tell them about this issue. But still, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.